The 10 incredible benefits of mother's milk for your baby, essential nutrition, and more. Breast milk, often referred to as mother's milk or human milk, is considered the best source of nutrition for infants. It provides a wide range of benefits for both the baby and the mother. Here are some of the key benefits of breast milk. 1. Nutritionally complete. Breast milk is tailored to meet the specific nutritional needs of a growing infant. It contains the ideal balance of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals needed for the baby's optimal growth and development. 2. Antibodies and immune support. Breast milk contains antibodies and immune-boosting factors that help protect the baby against infections and diseases. It provides passive immunity, helping the infant's immune system develop and become stronger. 3. Digestibility. Breast milk is easily digestible, reducing the risk of gastrointestinal issues, such as constipation and diarrhea, which are common in formula-fed infants. 4. Bonding and emotional connection. Breastfeeding fosters a strong bond and emotional connection between the mother and the baby. It provides comfort and security, enhancing the infant's sense of trust and emotional well-being. 5. Customization to baby's needs. The composition of breast milk changes to match the evolving nutritional needs of the baby as they grow and develop. For example, the milk produced for a newborn is different from that produced for an older infant. 6. Reduced risk of infections and diseases. Breastfed infants have a lower risk of respiratory infections, ear infections, gastrointestinal infections, allergies, asthma, diabetes, obesity, and certain childhood cancers. 7. Enhanced brain development. Breast milk contains essential fatty acids like DHA docosahexaenoic acid, which are important for brain and nervous system development. Breastfeeding is associated with potential cognitive and developmental benefits. 8. Risk of sudden infant death syndrome. SIDS. Breastfeeding has been linked to a lower risk of SIDSA, sudden, unexplained death of an otherwise healthy infant during sleep. 9. Convenience and cost-effectiveness. Breast milk is always available and at the right temperature, making it convenient for both the mother and the baby. Additionally, it is a cost-effective feeding option as it is free. 10. Maternal health benefits. Breastfeeding helps mothers recover from childbirth by promoting uterine contraction and reducing postpartum bleeding. It can also lower the risk of breast and ovarian cancer, as well as osteoporosis. Thanks for watching. Kindly support, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.